Okay, so hello everyone. We are from Group A, and today we would like to present our discussion on summarizing academics text. The journal we use is titled Extraction of Bay Leaf Essential Oil Using the Enfleurage Method by Hansi and Supriyadi, 2021. So this is the journal that we use. Here we use the journal from Journal of Experimental and Clinical Pharmacy by Hasni and Supriyadi.
Okay, before we begin, let me introduce our team. First, my name is Nida Uzlah A, and my group members are Putri A, and then Felda Adzra, and last is Karina Aditia. Okay, first, text 1, the main idea. This study discussed the extraction of essential oil from bay leaves using the enfleurage method and its chemical analysis. And then the objective, the study aimed to determine the extraction process, psychochemical properties, and chemical components of bay leaf essential oil. And then the method, the research used the enfleurage extraction method followed by psychochemical testing and GCMS analysis. And then findings, the extraction produced 30.1 grams of essential oil with a yield of 0.60% and identified several major chemical compounds. And the conclusion is the enfleurage method is effective for extracting by leaf essential oil with identifiable chemical characterization.
Next, I will explain the text too. The first main idea of this study is to examine the extraction of bay leaf essential oil using the enfleurage method. Next, the objective is to analyze the extraction of process, physicochemical properties, and chemical compounds. For the methods, the oil was extracted using enfleurage and then analyzed using physicochemical tests and GCMS. The findings show that the yield was 0.60% and five major compounds were identified. Next, uh, and the conclusion is that enfleurage is an effective method from producing bay leaf essential oil.
In test 3, I wrote a 120 to 150 word summary using my own words based on the key points from the journal. This study discusses the extraction of bay leaf essential oil using the enfleurage method with the objective of determining the extraction process, physicochemical properties, and chemical components. The method used include enfleurage extraction, physicochemical testing, and GCMS analysis. The results show that 500 grams of bay leaves produce 3.01 grams of essential oil with a yield of 0.6%. The conclusion states that the enfleurage method is effective for extracting bay leaf essential oil with specific chemical characteristics. That is the summary I made based on the journal.
Okay, now I will explain text 4, which evaluate the summary. First, for the clarity of the main idea, the summary clearly showed the main focus. It explains that the study is about extracting essential oil from bay leaves using the enfleurage method, so it's easy to understand the topic. Second, for the accuracy of information, the summary includes all the important parts of the study, such as the objective, method, results, and conclusions. They show that the information is consistent with the original journal. Lastly, for conciseness and objectivity, the summary is written in a clear and simple way. It does not include unnecessary details or personal opinion, so it remains focused on the key information and maintains formal tone.
Next, I will explain the text 5 is revision of the summary. Before revision, the summary is already had the main information, but it was less concise and used general vocabulary. After revision, it becomes more concise, clear, and more structured. The vocabulary is also improved. For the example, the sentence is the study discussed the extraction of essential oil from bay leaf using the on-flourish method. Is changed to the study examine the extraction of essential oil from bay leaf Syzygium polyanthum using the on-flourish method. Overall, the revised version is more effective as an academic summary.